Everyone, hope all are doing well. Dear students, in this online module, I am going to revise the very important chapter of your English core class 12th Indigo by Louis Fisher. So here is the important points about the author. As we all know that the author Louis Fisher, he is a communist writer and he wrote a very famous book Life of Mahatma Gandhi and also the treatise The God That Failed in 1949. The book has been revived as one of the best books ever written on Gandhi by Times Educational Supplement. Then come on the theme. The theme is the leadership is shown by Mahatma Gandhi here, and we will see him as a leader, and different spectrum of his personality is being showcased in the chapter. The chapter Indigo emphasizes the fact that effective leadership is very important. What are the problems? What kind of problem solving skills does Gandhi has? And the chapter deals with the way Mahatma Gandhi solved the problems of poor sharecroppers, the peasants of Champaran, in a non-violent manner. So very importantly, you need to know about the theme 1 and theme 2. That is how I have described you to just give you the whole pen picture of the chapter. Then comes up the justification of the title. So Indigo is the title, we all know it's a very apt and accurate title, and it focuses on the issue of exploitation of indigo sharecroppers at the hands of cruel Britishers. Here I have given the whole particular point that the British compelled them that they have to be in the agreement and 15% of their land and surrender the entire harvest as rent. After the development of synthetic indigo by Germany, the British planters extracted money from the peasants as compensation, and how finally Gandhi recovered the losses of poor sharecroppers, and it was an example in the Indian history that justice can be brought not only by money but through the strong willpower and self-reliance, that particular thing that Gandhi has taught the poor peasants. Then comes up the moral and message of the lesson. The story Indigo highlights the unequal economic system, point number 1, which is very important. Underline this. It resulted in Indian peasants suffering while the British planters exploited them. It also highlights the importance of Gandhi's decision to take up their cases, which exposes the injustice system. Then the chapters in nutshell. Dear students, 5 points are given to you. So poor emaciated peasants from Champaran then contacted Gandhi 1916. Then Gandhi dismissed him, and Shukla, how he approached Rajkumar Shukla. All these important points you have to keep it in mind. And then the issues that has been discussed in the particular chapter. Arable land in Champaran divided into estates owned by Englishmen, and chief commercial crop indigo, tenants to plant on 15th indigo, 15% indigo, and to surrender entire indigo as rent, ask for 15% compensation, all that. Then how Gandhi reached Champaran. That's a very interesting story or travelogue kind of factual descriptions that has been given in the chapter. So you have to please go through these points well. Okay, so how he proceeded and how he went finally to solve the problems, to resolve the issues of Champaran peasants. Then comes up the role of lawyers, very important. They represented cases in courts, and Gandhi criticized them for being misguiding the peasants. They gave legal support, and how the non-committal if he was arrested, and lawyers feel guilty of desertion and all that stuff. Then steps were taken by Gandhi. What kind of steps? Okay, so one by one I'm discussing here the all the steps, 16 points here, and then qualities of Gandhi. Okay, so dear students, all these 16 points, please mark my words, please go through all the one by one. Write in your copies so that you will keep these points in your mind when you just write the particular points or frame it in a answer. Okay. Then comes up qualities of Gandhi. So these are the important qualities: loyalty, commitment, good leadership, then understanding the issues, social networking is good, then contact with masses, and how he is a man of a common man. He improves social cultural backwardness of Champaran. And now, very important part. These are the MCQ questions, students. So, when did Gandhi ji go to Lucknow? What did he go to Lucknow for? Okay, I am giving the four options in all these questions. Here we have what was the full name of peasant from Champaran, Rajkumar Shukla or J.B. Shukla. Then in 1970, Gandhi and Shukla boarded a train in Kolkata for where they are going. Okay, so all these Patna, Ahmedabad, Kanpur, and Champaran, all these options I have given. You have to just solve these particular points, questions, MCQs in your copies. Likewise, we will ask the questions in your exams also. Okay, further, these are total 20 questions. Okay, what did the peasants pay the British landlords as rent? And all the questions are very important, so please go through it very minutely. If you have any kind of problem, let me know. I will solve it in the doubt session. Now these are 20 MCQs, and the best part is the answers are also given to you. So you just check your answers here. Okay? So I think you will be able to do the justice to the chapter and go through this particular notes which I am sharing with you on WhatsApp. Have a nice day. Take care.